The sorts of waste that are in a landfill decompose, and so the leachate changes in composition over time. And sometimes it's very concentrated, but later it becomes a little less concentrated, but contaminated nonetheless. The unfortunate thing is that when the water mixes with the waste, it takes out some of the soluble components. And these are usually heavy metals and organic chemicals that are easily decomposed and mixed with the water to become a leachate. And if we drink these in high concentration, they can cause us to become sick or make our health degrade our health. Many years ago, when I began my career, I was looking for places to construct landfills. They were needed all over a Midwestern state. And I realized that I didn't know enough about the ground and the reaction, how water moved through the ground. And I went to the Illinois State Geological Survey and the University of Illinois to learn about this because they were doing important research. Later, I started investigating why landfills fail. How do they allow water to mix with the waste and create leachate and gas? During that research, I discovered that there were ways of finding out how the water was getting into the landfill. When a landfill is constructed, usually it's constructed so that the water runs off. But over time, because landfills are very dynamic, waste decompose, and the landfill starts to sink and change and make depressions and landslides and erosion that allow water to enter through the cover. Cover may be only 6 inches, may be a meter. Often it's a small amount, and so at least 50% of annual rainfall can get into a landfill, mix with the waste, and then it leaks out the sides or the bottom of the landfill and emits gas as well. So inspectors go to landfills and they are to find where are the defects. Sometimes this is a difficult thing to do because they cannot get to different places in the landfill. The vegetation may be too high. They may not have enough time to go. They have only a small amount of time. An inspection may not be very complete. And I recognize that we can use remote sensing technology to help the inspectors find where the defects are and make an assessment of the land, use image maps to make an assessment of the defects in the field so that they can make a prioritized list for repairs that are needed.